Good morning to everyone. I am Sister Pushpa, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Auxilium College of Arts and Science for Women, Regnathapuram. Today we are going to see about the partial differential equations. Learning objectives are partial differential equation definition, order and degree of the partial differential equation, derivation of partial differential equation, and basic definition of differential equation. Now we will see the definition of differential equation. A differential equation is an equation in which differential coefficients or derivatives occur. There are two types of differential equation. First one, ordinary differential equation. Second one, partial differential equation. Now we are going to see the definition of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation is a differential equation in which unknown function depends on single independent variable enters either explicitly or implicitly. For example, here I have given two examples. First one, dy divided by dx equal to 2 sin x. Here y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. The equation number 2, d squared y divided by dt squared minus m squared x equal to 0. Here x and y are dependent variable and t is a independent variable. Next we will see the definition of partial differential equation. Partial differential equation in which unknown functions depend on several independent variables and only one dependent variables. For example, I have given here two examples. First one, x dou z divided by dou x plus y dou z divided by dou y equal to z. The second example, dou squared z divided by dou x into dou y the whole squared equal to dou squared z divided by dou x squared into dou squared z divided by dou y squared. In these two equations, z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. Now we will see the definition order of differential equation. Order of differential equation is ordered of the highest derivatives in this equation. Here four equations I have given. The first two equations are ordinary differential equation. Third and fourth equations are partial differential equation. The first equation is a first order ordinary differential equation. Second equation is second order ordinary differential equation. The third equation is first order partial differential equation and the fourth equation is second order partial differential equation. Next we will see the definition of degree of differential equation. A degree of differential equation is the highest power to which a derivative is raised. Example, y double dash plus y dash equal to y is the first degree second order differential equation. The second equation, y dash the whole square equal to y is the second degree first order differential equation. These are all the notations that we are used in the partial differential equation, that is p equal to dou z divided by dou x, q equal to dou z divided by dou y, r equal to dou squared z divided by dou x squared, t equal to dou squared z divided by dou y squared and s equal to dou z divided by dou x into dou y. Now we will see the derivation of partial differential equation. Partial differential equation can be derived either by the elimination of arbitrary constant and arbitrary functions. Now we will see some of the examples eliminating arbitrary constant and arbitrary functions. The first example, eliminate a and b from z equal to x plus a into y plus b. So now we are going to differentiate partially with respect to x. When we differentiate partially with respect to x, we will get p equal to y plus b. Then when we differentiate partially with respect to y in the given equation, we will get q equal to x plus a. So when we substitute p equal to y plus b, q equal to x plus a in the given equation, we will get z equal to pq. Now we will see the second example. Eliminating a and b from z equal to ax plus by plus a. So differentiating with respect to x in the given equation, we'll get p equal to a. Differentiating partially with respect to y, we'll get q equal to p. So substituting p equal to a, q equal to b in the given equation, we'll get z equal to px plus qy plus p. Now we'll see third example. Eliminating the arbitrary function from z equal to f of x square plus y square. Solution. We are differentiating partially with respect to x, we will get dou z divided by dou x equal to f dash of x square plus y squared into 2x. When we differentiate partially with respect to y, we will get dou z divided by dou y equal to f dash of x square plus y squared into 2y. By dividing these two equations, we will get p divided by q equal to x divided by y. So when we cross multiply, we will get py equal to qx. Conclusion. Partial differential equations are used to formulate problems involving functions of several variables. FAQ questions, that is frequently asked questions, are define partial differential equation, define the order and degree of the differential equation, and eliminate a and b from z equal to ax plus by. These are all the reference books that I have referred for the partial differential equation. Thank you.